Hey guys, Gregor from PreSonus here. Welcome back here from Superbooth 2025. It's the convention for electronic music, synthesizers and everything in between. And today I want to show you how we can integrate one of these modular systems in a modern digital workflow, because we believe that you don't have to choose between analog gear and digital audio workstations. You can use the analog sound with the digital convenience and get the best out of both worlds that way. The way we achieve this is with a new plugin that we have inside of Studio One Pro 7, and it's called the CV instrument. You can add this to any track and it will basically behave just like any other virtual instrument does. But together with the Quantum HD series and the Quantum ES series interfaces, we're able to send DC coupled voltages. These are like very hot signals that we can use to track the oscillator note pitch. So we can track this instrument and sequence MIDI notes, and it will basically play exactly what we're putting into our piano roll, very much like you know it from all of your sample-based music. What's also amazing is that we have a calibration feature in there, and what will happen when I hit calibration, let me just do that right now. You can hear it starting to make some weird noises. We're basically sending voltages to the instrument, for example like 1 volt expecting a C2 pitch, and then we compare, do we still receive a C2 pitch when it comes back into the audio interface? If it's lower, then we increase the voltage, and if it's higher, then we decrease the voltage. And eventually we can do like a complete drift correction for each oscillator. So suddenly, instead of tracking 3 octaves, it can track like 8. So now that the calibration is done, let's see if it worked and if the modular is now playing in tune with the rest of my arrangement. So this is my modular synthesizer right here. This is what it sounds like. And let me play that together with the virtual instruments. And it's perfect, as you can see. It's amazing that you're able to integrate these analog synthesizers so seamlessly into a hybrid digital workstation. Also, you can now throw plugins onto this audio channel and mix it as if it was any other virtual instrument, and when you're ready, just export it as a mixed sound like you usually would. But in real time, because we have to record this analog gear still in real time. We didn't find a way yet to do time travel. Thanks for watching.